bull. When you read it, it looks different. When you say it, comfortable. Okay? So with because, remember, we can join two clauses. A clause has a subject, verb, and an object. Okay? And here's because, and then another subject, verb, object. I like sports shoes because they are very comfortable. Comfortable. Good job. Number 2, we had a problem with some spelling. In the sentence we had cooler, but I think we should have had color. Cooler, color. Remember, cooler is temperature. 30 degrees Fahrenheit is cooler than 40 degrees Fahrenheit. We don't want cooler, we want color. So let's look at our sentence. My shoes are black. This is a better sentence. Remember, with black, we don't put color black. We don't say my shoes are color black because we know black is a color. This word we do not need. So, repeat with me. My shoes are black. My shoes are red. My shoes are white. My shoes are comfortable. Comfortable. Okay, we spell it this way, but it sounds like this. Okay, so these are all adjectives. They're describing the noun. More adjectives. My shoes are expensive. My shoes are small. My shoes are fashionable. Remember, fashion is a noun. Fashionable is an adjective. My shoes are fashionable. My shoes are new. These are all good adjectives, and colors are also adjectives. Remember, too, to put a period at the end of your sentence. Notice up here in the original, no period. So make sure you put a period, not a comma. Okay? In the United States, we say period. In British English, they often say full stop, but in the United States, we say period. So, number 3, we had different ways that we can change this sentence. Here's one. My shoes are blue. I like this color. That's good. My shoes are blue. I like this color. Also, my favorite shoes are blue. I like this color. You can do that too. That's a good sentence. We could also say, the shoes are blue. I like this color. So we have to change the spelling of shoes, and we have to put a period here in the middle. Why? Subject, verb, object, subject, verb, object. We have 2 sentences here, so we need 1, 2 periods. Sentence number 4. Here's a good sentence. For me, they are comfortable. They do not hurt my feet. Again, subject, verb, object, period. Subject, verb, object, period. This is really 2 sentences. Also, we can take for me and we can move it later. They are comfortable for me. This is possible. And we can use because to join 2 sentences. So we could have, they are comfortable for me, subject, verb, object, because they do not hurt my feet, subject, verb, object. So both of these are good English. Both are correct. Number 5, one small change here. My favorite shoes is? Shoes is? No. My favorite shoes are tennis shoes. My favorite shoes are tennis shoes. Good job. This one is similar because the number has a problem. This is my favorite shoes? No, these are my favorite shoes. These are my favorite shoes. Okay, so if there's more than one shoe, these are. Remember, this and that are singular. This is close to me. That is far away, or it's not mine. These and those are plural, more than one, like shoes. These are close to me. Those are far away or not mine. In this case, these are my favorite shoes is a good answer. Number 7, this one was difficult. Okay, this one was difficult because I bought is an adjective clause. Okay, and therefore no it. Okay, now you could put that I bought, that's fine, but no it. So the last one, that I bought, is my favorite one. We don't need that though, it's optional. You can choose or not choose. So we could say, the last one I bought is my favorite one. Okay? This adjective clause, we could take it away, delete. And we would have, the last one is my favorite one. Good sentence. Subject, verb, object. Good sentence. When we add the adjective clause, we have subject, and then subject, verb, object, verb, object. This is possible, but it's a little bit difficult, okay? So don't worry too much. We will learn more about this. We could also say the last one is my favorite one, which I bought. So we could move the adjective clause to the end, maybe, but it's not necessary. You could also delete this, like we said, and just say the last one is my favorite one, okay? Number 8, I walk every day. Spelling, okay? I walk every day, every with an E. We can say I am walking, present, continuous, okay? But usually I am walking, present continuous, I am walking means right now. I walk, simple present, means every day, usually, custom, habit, okay? Also, we could use will for future. I will walk to school next week. With the future, you can use will or be verb, going to. I am going to walk to school next week. Sometimes we use the present continuous for future. This is if we have a plan, a specific plan. For example, I am walking to school tomorrow at 8:35 a.m. Okay? So another example, I will fly to Florida to see Disneyland, right? Mickey Mouse. I will fly to Florida. When? Well, I don't have a plan yet. Maybe next month, maybe March, April, I don't know. If we have a plan, okay, I have a plan, then I can say present continuous, I am flying to Florida to see Disneyland this weekend. I bought my tickets, I have a hotel, I am flying. Okay? Possible. Notice I am flying, I am walking, I am going to walk. These are different. Okay? This one is future. This one is future. This one is present continuous. Okay? Be careful with that. 2 more. Number 9. I like white and black. Again, we don't need the word color. Okay? We know white is a color, black is a color. You can say, I like white and black. Simple. Now, someone else said we are talking about shoes. So, I like white and black shoes. This is also a good sentence. I like this white and black color. So if you want to explain that you like this color, this is possible. Finally, I like these white and black shoes. This is another possible sentence. These are all good sentences in English. Okay? Last one, number 10. I can walk all day that my foot not feel too pain. There are many ways we can fix this. Okay? One way is I can't walk because I feel too much pain. Here because is joining the two sentences. And because answers the question why. I can't walk. Why? Because I feel too much pain. Now remember, we must use much. We can't use many because pain is what we call a non-count noun. We cannot count it. So for example, pain. I don't say 5 pains, 2 pains, 30 pains. No, it's just pain. Like milk, 1 milk, 10 milks, 100 milks? No. Water, oil, rice. We can't count. I can't say, give me 3 oils. It doesn't make sense, okay? So pain, we say how much pain. We use how many for things we can count. How many cars? How many students? How many classrooms? Pain, we must use much, okay? Another way we can change this sentence. I can walk all day, but my feet do not feel pain. Oh, you must have comfortable shoes. I can walk all day, but my feet do not feel pain. Again, but is a conjunction. It joins 2 clauses. Subject, verb, object. Subject, verb, object. This is good. Do we need a comma here? You can put a comma here, or you can not put a comma here. These sentences are short, so you don't need a comma. But be careful, because with because, sometimes you do need a comma. So if you say, I can walk all day because my feet do not feel pain, that's a good sentence. If you take this clause and move it to the front, because my feet do not feel pain, I can walk all day, then you do need a comma. So if because is on the front, you need a comma to show where the new clause begins. If because is on the end, the second clause, then you don't need a comma here because it's clear where the second clause begins. Okay? One other vocabulary item. We know what breakfast is, the first meal of the day, lunch, the second meal, dinner, the third meal. Sometimes we call a meal that is between these two brunch. It comes from breakfast and lunch. Brunch. So a couple of students had a nice brunch today. Remember, for tomorrow, you will do your speaking presentation. Okay? The instructions are on Carmen. We want to see all 5 slides and lots of good English. You can click here and look at my journal for an example. Also, homework, give your presentation. Also, we will go to the Columbus Public Library. You will get a free library card and you will get some books. Also, bring your Buck ID card so you can ride the bus and some money for lunch. Lunch will probably be about $10. We'll have lunch at Lavash Cafe. Click on the website to see the menu or learn more about the restaurant. So, I hope that is helpful. I will see you tomorrow. Have a great day.